In the world of industry, hazards can be as unique as the businesses themselves. So today we're going to explore the specialized first aid required to address the unique hazards of various industries. So first aid isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's about being prepared for the specific challenges and risks of your industry and your workplace. So let's discover how customized first aid can be a game changer, ensuring the safety of your workforce. Here are the key reasons why it's essential. So addressing unique industry-specific hazards, relevance and effectiveness of first aid techniques, minimizing risks and severity of injuries, enhanced employee morale and confidence, compliance with industry safety standards. Industry-specific first aid is not just a choice, it's a strategic move to ensure the well-being of your employees. It's about knowing that you have the skills to address the unique challenges of your workplace. First aid for unique industry hazards is not just a preference, it's a commitment to a safer and more resilient workplace. Because in your industry, safety is tailored to your specific needs.